How are you all? I hope you all must be fine, right? So today we are going to read for class 5 Mathematics Olympiad. And in class 5 Mathematics Olympiad, which chapter we are going to read? We are going to start a new chapter, that is angle. Okay? So are you all ready for it? Yes. So let's get started. The first question, when it is 10:30, what kind of angle is formed by the hands of the clock? Option A, acute. B, obtuse. C, right. D, straight. So, it is given in the question that it is 10:30, right? So, when it is 10:30, what type of angle is formed by the hands of the clock? So, you can see in the 10:30, what is the type of angle? Yes, between the hour hand and minute hand, it is more than 90 degree, right? It is more than 90 degree. Now, what is the acute angle? You must be knowing the angle which is less than 90 degree is known as acute angle. Obtuse angle, it is between 90 degree, okay, and 180 degree. That is the obtuse angle. Right angle, that is equal to 90 degree. Straight angle, that is 180 degree. So more than 90 degree and less than 180 degree, that is the obtuse angle. That's why correct answer is option B, right? Coming to the next question, at what time given below do the minute and hour hands of a dog make a right angle? Option A, 12 o'clock. B, quarter to 9. C, half past 9. D, 3 o'clock. So in the question it is given at what time below do the minute and hour hands of a dog make a right angle. Okay, you know what is right angle? That is 90 degree. Yes. So in the 12, when it is 12 o'clock, the hour hand it is presented 12 and the minute hand it is also presented 12, right? So both are presented 12. So the angle that will be 0 degree. Quarter to 9, the hour hand it will be near about 9. Okay, it will be near about 9, not exact 9, and minute hand it will be also at 9. Okay, so here also it will be near about 0 degree centigrade. Half past 9, here the hour hand it will be between 9 and 10 and the minute hand it will be at 6. So here what will be the angle that is 9 to 10 and so that is the minute hand is at 6 degree. So it is near about something about 90 degree, but it is not equal to 90 degree. Okay. Then, yes, the 3 o'clock here, our hand is at 3 and minute hand is at 12, right? 3, here 3, here it is 12. So it is the 90 degree. So correct answer is option D, that is at 3 o'clock. Okay. Coming to the next question. To complete 1 hour, the minute hand has to pass through how many right angles? Option A 3, B 4, C 2, D 6. So the question given is to complete 1 hour, the minute hand has to pass through how many right angles? Okay. So to complete 1 hour, the minute hand has to undergo one complete rotation, right? One complete rotation, that means it is equal to 360 degree. So in 360 degree, how many right angles? Right angles means 90 degree. How many 90 degrees are there? That is 360 degree divided by 90 degree equal to 4. So here the correct answer is option B, that is 4. Got it everyone? Coming to the next question. How many right angles make two full rotations? Option A 4, B 6, C 8, D 10. So in the question it is given how many right angles make two full rotation. Okay. So right angle you know that is 90 degree. One full rotation, that is equal to 360 degree. So 2 full rotations, it will be 360 degree into 2, that is equal to 720 degree. How many right angles are there? So that will be number of right angles present in 720 degree, that will be 720 degree divided by 90 degree, that is equal to 8. So correct answer is option C, that is equal to 8, right? Coming to the next question, the angle 234 degree is option A acute, B obtuse, C straight, D reflex. So the angle given is 234 degree. So you know acute angle, that is less than 90 degree, obtuse angle, that is more than 90 degree but less than 180 degree, straight angle is 180 degree, and reflex angle, that is greater than 180 degree. Okay, and between 360 degree. So 234, it is coming under the reflex angle. Okay, so correct answer is option D, that is the reflex. Coming to the next question, which is closest to the side of the angle AOB? So option A 33 degree, B 57 degree, C 123 degree, D 147 degree. So this angle AOB, we can clearly see that this value is less than 90 degree, right? So if it is less than 90 degree, we have two options. It may be 33 degree, it may be 57 degree. Okay. So 90 degree means it should be this way. And if we try to imagine, then it will be more than 45 degree, right? So 45 degree, it will be somewhat like this. Okay, that is the half of the right angle, so it is more than 45 degree, so we can say that it may be 57 degree. Okay, yes. Coming to the next question, for the angle shown in the diagram, the arrow points to its option A arm, B corner, C vertex, D bend. So here this thing, okay, this point, that is where the two lines are joining. Okay, the two lines where they are joined, it is known as vertex. Okay, so correct answer is option C, that is vertex. Coming to the next question, by using the three letters on the shape that define the angle, angle alpha is written as angle alpha. Which one is angle alpha? This one, right? So how we name it? It will be A, then the vertex D, then the other corner, other side, that is B. So we can write it as A, D, B. Okay, remember the point, the vertex, that is present in the middle, and the two lines, okay, the other sides are written before and after that. So it will be angle ADB, which is present in option B. That's why correct answer is option B. Got it? Coming to the next question. If two acute angles are added together, which of the following is not possible for their sum? Option A acute, B right, C obtuse, D straight. So it is given that if two acute angles are added together, which of the following is not possible for their sum? Acute, that is angle less than 90 degree. So if two acute angles are there and we add it, it may be an acute angle. Okay, right angle. So if two acute angles are there, right angle, that is equal to 90 degree. If two acute angles are there and we add them, it may be 90 degree. Obtuse angle, that is greater than 90 degree and less than 180 degree. So if we add two acute angles, it may be greater than 90 degree also. So this can also be the correct one. Coming to the last one, straight. Straight, you know, that is 180 degree. So if we are adding two acute angles, it cannot be 180 degree. Okay. So how we can say that? We know 180 degree by 2, that will be 90 degree. Okay. So at least it should be one of them will definitely be more than 90 degree, equal to or more than 90 degree. And if it is equal to 90 degree or more than 90 degree, it will no more be an acute angle. Okay, so this thing that is not possible, that the straight. So if two acute angles are added together, then their sum, it will not be a straight one, right? Coming to the next question, which one of the following angles is acute? Option A, half a right angle, B, a right angle, C, 1.5 right angles, D, 2 right angles. So in the question it is asked which one of the following angles is acute. Okay, that is less than 90 degree. So half a right angle, you know right angle, that is 90 degree. Half a right angle, that will be 45 degree. Then a right angle, that is 90 degree. 1.5 right angles. One right angle is 90 degree plus half right angle, that is 90 degree by 2. So it will be 90 degree plus 45 degree, 135 degree. Two right angles, that is 90 degree plus 90 degree equal to 180 degree. So we have to find the acute one, right? That is less than 90 degree. Which one is? That is the 45 degree. So correct answer is option A, half a right angle. Okay. So this much for today's session. Let's meet you in the next session. Till then, read mindfully, practice all the questions properly. Okay. So till then, okay, meet you soon. Bye bye everyone.